Good day. So today on our daily question solution number 7, so we're on day 7 today. So let's check. So this is a huge mountain to climb, but let's just break it down into pieces, right? So we are trying to find the value of this if we're having these situations like that, right? So this we are going to manipulate for sure. We're going to manipulate these equations. So firstly, let's start by this one. So this is 3 to the power 9x equals to 64. So this is the same as 3 to the power 3x or to the power 3 equals to 64. Because you know that if a power is raised to another power, we just multiply the power. So it will get us back to that. So we're still correct. So now we can do a cube root both sides to cancel out this. So we're going to be having 3 to the power 3x being equals to, and the cube root of 64 is just 4, right? So this side, we're okay, we're having this, but it is actually not that, right? So let's also try to manipulate also this to see how we can work around that, right? So working on that, we also know that this is the same as 3 to the power x minus 1 or to the power 3. But if you multiply out, if you multiply this, it will give us 3 to the power 3x minus 3 to the, minus 3. Let's first put minus 3 first, right? Multiplying out, right? So a power is raised to another power, we multiply. And then now we're going to have 3 to the power 3x and then 3 to the power negative 3. We just separated this, right? So this 3 to the power 3x, we have already seen that 3 to the power 3x is this one, which 3 to the power 3x is equals to 4. Can you see that? 3 to the power 3x is equals to 4. So it means that we can replace 3 to the power 3x by just 4. Can you see that? So it means that this 3 to the power x, 3x is equals to 4, and here we're also having the same situation. So this is, we're going to put it there. So we're going to have 4 multiplied by 3 to the power negative 3. So this whole situation we just derived, it is the same as this situation. So it means that therefore our 3 to the power x minus 1 or to the power 3 is the same as 4 multiplied by 3 to the power negative 3. So now let's go to manipulate that one, the other equation, right? So at the other equation we are having 5 root of p being equals to 64. But we need this one with a square root there, right? So without wasting time, we know that this is the same as 5 to the power p, or you can actually put it as also 5 like that, right? It is the same thing. So right now we are going to raise this power. If we square root both sides, it means that only this is going to be affected. This is not going to be affected, right? So now we are going to have square root of 5 square root of p being equals to, let me just write it here, square root of 5 to the root of p being the same as, what is the square root of 64? The square root of 64 is what? What is the square root of 64? It's 8, right? Like that, right? So now we're having this situation, which is being represented by this, and we are also having this situation, which is represented by that, right? So we can actually say that, we can conclude rather, saying that our 3x minus 1 to the power 3 all over root of 5 to the root of p will be the same as this situation, is the same as that. So this is 4 multiplied by 3 negative 3, and this situation is giving us 8, like that, right? So this will just be 4 all over, and this situation is the same as multiplied by 8. So this 2, so this will be 1 over 27 multiplied by 2, which will be the same as 1 over 54. So our value of this is just 1 over 54, which is our answer there. Yes. So if you like content like this, please follow us. We are on day number 7 of our daily question solutions, right? So we are just picking up any questions and we are making solutions to that. Mostly we are picking up the complicated questions. So if you're having a question that you're having that is complicated, please email us to this email address. I'm going to leave it, and also you can send us a message to our WhatsApp and we'll get back to you, and we can solve that on this platform hopefully. So please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one, guys. Thank you.